Next, which we do every year, we have Queen Quet, if she would come up. Queen Quet's the chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. How are you tonight?
Well, how are you?
Good. You good? Good. We have a proclamation for the event, week-long event with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Beaufort County, South Carolina is the second oldest county in South Carolina, and at its founding, Africans were brought into what became established as the town of Bluffton and came to be known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas numerous historic churches within our town and one of the very cabins that enslaved Africans built, such as the Garvin House, which was built by Cyrus Garvin in the 1870s, still stands in Bluffton at the Oyster Factory Park. Whereas Queen Quet, chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation, was instrumental in the dissemination of the history of the Garvin House and the cabins at the Hayward House, as it relates to the Gullah Geechees that built and lived in them, and also co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of the Gullah Geechee traditions, such as those that still live and exist in Bluffton. Whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will be a celebration of self-determination this year, where a series of activities will take place throughout Beaufort County and in the town of Bluffton to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and to celebrate this theme along with the festival's participants. Therefore, I, Lisa Salka, Mayor of the town of Bluffton, along with Town Council, hereby proclaim July 30th through August 7th, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Bluffton, South Carolina. So thank you for this. Get it? Okay.
So we'll trade.
We'll trade. Okay. We will put these and say a few words about it, and I'll give everything to council. Yes.
So how are the children to do this evening? Oh, the children in the cricket team tall and Bluffton. What kind of thing this year? How are they to do?
I do.
Okay, most of the transplants in here, right?
I don't know. They've lived here longer
Oh, no, I
than
the cricket team self, your name. Okay then. So for the transplants, how are y'all this evening? All right, we got some snowbirds in the house today. But I'm so happy to be back in Bluffton as always. And my mother came with me this year, and she was wondering if we was going to that same building that I always go to. I said, yes ma'am, it's still there. All right. And so we have watched Bluffton grow and grow and grow. So I have to often give her landmarks on where we're going. I said, this your time we're going all the way to Mill River. She said, okay, I know which one we're going to then. Not the library up front there on the 46 and the main highway, main drag. So we're so happy though that with all of the growth that people see on 278, that you all are still holding the history here in Bluffton. And so often people come through this town and pass this town and do not realize the Gullah Geechee culture that exists in this town, all along the shoreline. How many of our people actually work this May River out here, that even taught the family at the Oyster Factory how to pick the oyster and things like that. They were telling like for damn fun when you come down here. And okay, and so we're very happy that now the town has invested truly in the Garvin House, and we're praying that in the future we'll actually have this proclamation given right there in front of it as we open it up to the public to learn more about who we do down here and things like that. But in the meantime, please make sure follow us at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook. So you'll see all the different activities that'll go on from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida. All 4 states are now participating in Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And just about every county on our coast of South Carolina, there's one that keeps holding out. But Bluffton has been participating with us from the beginning. And so I'm very happy that this town has always embraced me and is still embracing Gullah Geechee culture and traditions here. So thank you, Town Council, and then like that, I didn't tell him he cleans up well, but all of you do.
He set the bar.
Yeah, he set the bar. Keep raising it. I love it. I love the look. So thank you all. I'm from St. Helena Island, so I'm about to go out in the traffic to get back across a few bridges the other way to another creek shore, but still right up on this shore with Honachilla, where we go and shout for this celebration of self-determination. Peace and blessings to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.